Hello, this is Harald again from Hiddenroom Studio. In the background you hear a track that has multiple MIDI notes with multiple different channels on one track, playing several instruments at the same time. I will show you in this episode how you can do that, and this works with Halion, with Kontakt, with any VST instruments that can receive the data from multiple MIDI channels at the same time. So watch closely and let's get started. So as a start, I have some chord pads, and the chords you can see are from a Rush song, from Rush, Distand Early Warning. And I already set up in Groove Agent some basic drums, and I put up a signature track. The signature track shows that in the beginning we have 4 bars of 7/8, 1 bar of 5/8, then 7/8 again, 5/8 and 7/8. And as you can see here, I put up the new feature for the metronome. I can explain that in another video if you like. Leave a comment if you want to see that video. Here the X's mean that the click is off here. Also what I did is on the Halion Sonic, I have a simple sound, brass sound, super saw in slot 1. So let's first record the chords. Okay, let's see if I put it right. Okay, looks good. It's quantized, under-quantized on 8th. And what you can see here is that all the notes in the tracks is red. All the notes are red, colored. So you can change the color. In the editor right up here you have the possibility to change the event color. Now the event color is for the velocity, meaning that higher velocity will make them darker. Now you can change that, and when you change that to channel, then you see in an instant that the colors are totally different. So what does that mean? So that means that we have different MIDI channels for the different notes. The chord pads, if you use, they are making a 4-part harmony. And for every part there is a different MIDI channel on the track. So if I, for example, if I mark this here, you can see up here in the status bar, channel 4. It's here. If I take the top one, you see channel 1, and the middle one here is channel 3 and channel 2. So that means that you have multiple MIDI notes with different channels on the track. So what does that mean when you play back it? I will show you in a moment. If you look at the inspector here on the left side, you see Halion Sonic and you see MIDI channel 1. And if I have a MIDI channel set up here, all the notes on the track are converted to this MIDI channel, no matter what channel is in the note itself. If you go on any, that means that the note is played on the channel that's on the track. So let me demonstrate what that means when you want to have multiple sounds in Halion. So when I put up Halion here, and I have it on channel 1, you can see the super saw is in slot 1, and now I play it back. Okay, so you can see here by the light here that indicates that there is some MIDI coming in, that all the notes are going to channel 1. So if I change that now to any and play it again. So what you heard right now is only the top line here, the top part, which is on MIDI channel 1. You could see in the Halion that there are all the other channels here, the slots are blinking because they receive the other notes, but it's not playing because there is no sound here. So let's put some sounds here to have multiple sounds from one track and from one chord at the same time. So let me start with slot 2 here. Let me find some other brass sounds I can use for this. So we go to brass and we take synth brass, whatever. Let's take short synth brass, put it in slot 2. Then let's find something else for slot 3. Slot 3. We find something else. Analog power brass is right nice. Then any would do for slot 4. Okay, then let's mix it a little bit. The channel number 1, the super saw, is the highest line, the highest part, and the slot number 4, the channel number 4, is the lowest one, the bass. So let's keep that in the middle and take the synth brass here and the analog brass on the other side, so that they play at the same time, but we have a spread signal. So let's listen to this. Yes, so this way we have one track with chords on it that has 4 sounds playing at the same time, 4 different sounds, because the MIDI notes on the track have different channel values and they will be sent to any multi-timbral synthesizer you have. It can be Halion, can be Contact. I will show you in a moment some others you can use. It will work on everyone. And you don't even have to use the Chordpads. You can also just insert the notes in your track on your part and use the status bar and the top to change the channel. So let me show you some other examples you can use. Let's close this. I prepared already let's go to this, 2 sample tank tracks. Let's erase my old version. So I put on now this, I mute this, let me copy this. On this sample tank I have some brass sounds, some orchestra brass sounds. And on the other sample tank I have some string sounds. Like this, some string sounds like this. And for the highest note, for the top line, you can hear that I have the flute here. So let's play that all together. Okay, that's it so far. That's the possibility to have different MIDI notes with MIDI channels on one track and play several sounds at the same time with any multi-timbral synthesizer. You can use the Chordpads. You can just insert your chords in your tracks and change the MIDI notes. And if you want to have another video about the signature track or about the metronome features, leave a comment. And I hope you liked it. I also will put a link to the original Rush song, Distand Early Warning, for YouTube in the comments. Please check it out. And please like, share, subscribe. See you next time. This has been Harald from Hiddenroom Studio. Bye.